Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to fix the concurrent modification exception from array list while iterating the objects or elements. Okay, so I am going to explain with example. Then you clearly understand how we are going to fixing the concurrent modification exception. Okay, so it is one of the common problems many Java programmers face to remove elements while iterating over array list in Java, because the solution doesn't work like you just cannot go through an array list using a for loop and remove an element depending upon some condition. So even though array list provides the remove method, you cannot use them to remove items while iterating over array list in Java, because they will throw concurrent modification exception. So whenever you are calling during iteration, so the right way to remove objects from array list while iterating over it by using iterator remove method instead of array list remove method. So when you use iterator's remove method, concurrent modification exception is not thrown, because it is also updates the counters and variables used by iterators like mod count, which indicates that modification is done by the iterator itself and not somewhere around. Okay, so array list, now we will see one example by using array list remove method. Okay, how we are going to removing element from array list while looping using for loop and array list remove method. So this example is wrong, and the program will throw concurrent modification exception upon execution. So we will see that example. So in this example, we will understand how to remove an element by using array list remove method. Okay, so if you use array list remove method, we will expect a concurrent modification exception. Then how to fix it? Okay, so here I am already written code here. So I create the object for array list, okay, by using a new, and then I have added some content here. So here I have taken mobiles, Redmi, Realme, Samsung and Apple, and then I will, after adding, so here I am trying to printing array list before removing any element. Okay, so then I used system.out.println, and then I passed the reference, okay, mobiles. So and then remove element using array list remove method. Okay, so for that I have used for each method, okay, and then mobiles dot remove method. So here which remove method I used here? Array list remove method used. So whenever I try to remove element by using array list remove method, it will throw concurrent modification exception. So let us see, we'll run this program now. So okay, see here the output, you can observe here. So exception in thread main, so it will concurrent modification exception. Okay, so in the initial, this output is printing array list before removing an element. Okay, this is the output before removing any element. Okay, so after, whenever I try to remove element this Redmi, okay, then it will throw the, so here I try to remove the Redmi element, okay, by using array list remove method. Then this throw the concurrent modification exception. Then how can we fix this issue? So to fix this issue, we have to use iterator remove method instead of array list remove method. Okay, so we will do that. So I am just commenting this part. Okay, and then here I have already written the code for by using array list method. Okay, So by using the iterator remove method, we can fix the concurrent modification exception. Okay, so here I created iterator object, then I used while has next method. For loop I am using for loop method, I mean a looping method. Okay, and then here you just observe here, so I used iterate remove method. Okay, then we will see whether it is throwing concurrent modification exception or not. No, it doesn't throw any concurrent modification, just check it the output. Okay, so this is the before removing an element, this output, and this one is after removing an element. Here there is no red meat element here, I mean in the output. Okay, see this here. Okay, so this is how we are fixing the concurrent modification exception. Okay, so that's all about how to remove elements while iterating over array list in Java. I already said that if you use array list remove method, like remove method while iterating over array list, then you will raise the concurrent modification exception. So it will throw the concurrent modification exception. You can avoid that by using iterate remove method, which removes the current object in the iteration. I hope you got you find the best example how to fix the concurrent modification example in this session. So if you are really like this video, please share this video and like our videos, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.